Project Mercury, a 1992 Range Rover classic, is for early mornings and long afternoons, for choosing the scenic route simply because it feels right. It carries the modern power of an LS3 V8, refined for the way life is lived today. The drive feels built for long stretches of open road, where comfort and capability move in perfect balance. This is a vehicle that slows the world down. Every drive feels intentional. Finished in Vulcan grey with a subtle eggshell sheen, Mercury's effortless power, a composed ride, and a cabin that invites you to settle in and stay a while. Black leather, dark wood, and familiar lines create a space that feels lived in from the very first mile. This is a vehicle for coffee runs that turn into coast roads, for city streets that fade into open highways. No rush, no noise, just presence. Project Mercury is about how it feels getting there.